Okay, so the last step was adding special effects to the video. Now we're going to add filters to the video. Now filters are essential. In most cases, the raw footage will lack vibrancy and overall quality. This is why knowing exactly what filter to add to your footage is so important, especially if you want your video to perform well on social media. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're on our timeline, and again, we want to make sure everything is unselected. Then you go down to the bottom menu and select filters. And it shows you a bunch of options. Capcut is crazy with its selection, I'm telling you. So your choice of filter should depend on what your raw footage actually looks like. In other words, choose a filter that complements your raw footage or enhances it, and also the vibe that you're going for. So if your footage has a few shadows and is a little on the dark side, you should choose a filter that increases the midtones and highlights. So let's choose this one. Now, I feel like this one does a good job with the raw footage. It tones down the whiteness of my hoodie. And also, it does a good job on the midtones, so my face looks a lot better. Now, you can see that it appears on the timeline. And again, you can hold down on this and move it to a different section. Or just simply press the end of it and drag it out so it goes through the whole of your clip. Or maybe there are some parts that you want different filters on, which is fine, as you can add as much filters as you want to your project. Okay, so that's filters in a nutshell, and now you know how to add those in. Now the next step is to add titles and captions to our video.